This video shows how to replace the key fob battery in 2020-2023 Jeep Gladiator models. It's a simple DIY task using a CR2032 battery. Replacing it yourself can save time and money. We'll cover everything you need to know. The 2020-2023 Jeep Gladiator key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This standard battery type is widely available and powers the fob's functions like locking and remote start. The CR2032 battery measures 20 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters in thickness, providing 3 volts of power. Generic brands like Duracell or Amazon Basics work just as well as original equipment manufacturer batteries. In the key fob, the CR2032 battery fits into a dedicated slot as shown here. When installing, ensure the positive side faces up for proper contact. You can find CR2032 batteries at most drugstores, supermarkets, or online retailers. For most Jeep Gladiators, you won't need any tools to replace the key fob battery. However, a small flathead screwdriver or a coin might be helpful to pry open the key fob case. Avoid using metal tools if possible to prevent scratching the plastic. If the case is stuck, applying gentle heat from a hairdryer can soften the plastic. First, locate the small notch on the side of the key fob. Insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the notch and gently pry the case open. Be careful not to force it. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery, with the positive side up before removing it. Take the new CR2032 battery and insert it into the key fob with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure it sits securely in place. This is the most important step. Ensure correct battery orientation to avoid damaging the key fob. Carefully snap the key fob case back together. Make sure it's securely closed. You should hear a click as the two halves join. If it doesn't close easily, double-check that the battery is properly seated. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, double-check the battery orientation. Make sure the positive side is facing up. Cold weather and frequent use of remote start can drain the battery faster. This is common in harsh conditions. Some users have reported faster battery drain due to software updates. In rare cases, a Jeep software update may be required. Remember to dispose of the old CR2032 battery responsibly. Many stores offer battery recycling programs, or you can check your local regulations for proper disposal methods. This helps reduce e-waste and protects the environment.